Hashtag blessed up in here. Walking to do some work and read. Oh my gosh. Run. We're here. Sunflower Cafe. All right, we went to the barbecue. AKA we drove by the barbecue.
Drive by. It was for the Rotary Club.
It wasn't for us. We're not really part of the Rotary Club yet.
Or actually, yeah, I'll take that back. It wasn't for the Rotary Club. It was put on by the Rotary Club.
It was for the Rotary Club.
And it looked like a good time. And then also, we are going to go get sushi.
No barbecue for us. Photos of this.
Wow, that's a nice photo.
Oh wait, it's a video. All right, so we went to sushi. Definitely not our favorite place to eat. Now we just went to Walmart, going to the bathroom, gonna get some stuff, and then we're gonna be out of here.
What are you doing?
Now I'm trying to take a video, but I'm not looking. Is it good?
I can't tell. I think it's that way. Oh, pretty.
Wow, that is a beautiful sight right there. There's one too. All right, the day's over.